Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and take a couple minutes to stretch it out quick. So let's start with a deep inhale all the way up. Exhale down. Again, inhale up. Exhale down. Okay, we're going to start with a quad stretch. So let that right arm, left arm float. Grab that foot behind you. I want you to keep your knees together. Gently press that foot in the hand. You can use the wall for support if you like. Good, now release. Drop that heel down to the floor. Sit back on a hamstring stretch. So you're going to reach down towards your foot. Knees soft. Imagine that forehead growing down towards your knee. Every breath brings you deeper into every stretch. Now let's go ahead and drop that foot. We're going to step out, coming into a wide ankle lunge. So go ahead and rest that elbow on the knee. Back foot is flat. Inhale up and over. Good. So go ahead, turn that gaze up to the ceiling. You're going to open up your side body right here. Go ahead, swing that arm down. Switch to the other side. Beautiful. Go ahead, bring it up. Opposite side, hamstring stretch. Nice and low. I'm so proud of you guys. You made it all the way through. Great job. You should all feel accomplished. Go ahead, bring it up. Quad stretch. Opposite side. Again, knees together. Hips forward. Pressing that foot into the hand. Release. Take it into a wide forward fold. So flat back all the way down. Hands coming to the floor, making to your ankles. Knees soft. Again, let every breath bring you deeper and deeper into this stretch. Now just one last quick stretch for the legs. We're going to walk it over to one side. Holding over that leg. Forehead coming towards the knee. Good, opposite side. Bring it back to center. Heel toe those feet together. One vertebrae at a time. Roll your spine back up. Good. Inhale up. And exhale down. Let's bring one arm across the chest.